Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a small collective haul for you guys. So on Amazon, I got these laminating pouches, 5x7 100 for $11.99, free shipping if you have Prime, and I thought that was such an awesome deal. So I will be using these in my mink for the first time using it, and I am excited. Your girl is gonna use them. So I got that, and next I will share my Spellbinders haul. This I ordered on May 16th and I'm just now getting it. So I don't know if these items are still for the price that they were, and I don't know what the prices are, but I'm gonna show you what I got. Oh, this is still in the packaging. They all are. Let me open them so you can see them better. So I got this cocoa powder gingham ribbon, 15 yards, and it is so pretty. Look at that. I love it. And you get a ton. So I got that. Then I got, sorry for the crinkling. Then I got the Fun Stampers Journey Sweet Haystack ribbon, 15 yards again. And I just love that. I love the look. I thought it was really pretty. It's like a honey color. So I got that. And then these buttons are to die for. I got 2 of them. And they're stars and hearts. And they look so primitive to me. I had to grab 2. I love them. Aren't they cute? So grabbed those. And then I grabbed these buttons. I thought they were really cute too. And then I grabbed these rose gold jingle bells. And they have them in matte and shiny. And I had nothing like that in that color. So I love rose gold. So those are going to be fun for Christmas. And then I grabbed these snowflake elements, and they are iridescent. Look at all that pink. I love them. So those will be fun. And then the last thing I got, I have been looking for egg cartons everywhere. So I did find these egg crates, and I thought they would be so cute to fill them up and send in Happy Mail. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the cart. Yeah, 6 of them. But they're so cute. So love those. And that was everything that I got from Spellbinders. And then today I did my last and final trip to a Hobby Lobby. I'm not going anymore. I'm done. So I found this round organizer for jewelry for 74 cents, regularly $2.49. And it's the round ones that have the little compartments, and 74 cents is amazing. So I grabbed one of those. And then I found this storage bin for jewelry is what I'm going to use it for, because I'm not buying any more jewelry, or I don't plan on it unless there's just something I have to have. But I have jewelry that I need a place for it. So this was regularly $5.99 and I got it for $1.49. And it has all of these compartments that you can divide up. It comes with the dividers. Let me turn it around so I can show you. So it pops open like that. And then it comes with all of these divider things. And you can make them how big you want them. So I couldn't beat $1.49. Love it. Then I found this candle. It was regularly $6.99. I got it for $1.74. It's gardenia blossoms, and I wish y'all could smell it. I'm gonna keep it in my craft room and light it up. It is so cute and it smells so good. So I got that. Then I found this over by the, where did I find this? Oh, I found this over by the clearance for the crafting stuff. And it's hair clips. And I think they are so cute. So I just found out this week, our family is going on a cruise. I've never been on one. And we're going to Belize, Cozumel, and Mahogany Bay. And guys, your girl is going to hug a sloth. I am going to hold one and hug it at Mahogany Bay. And I cannot wait. I am so excited for this trip. So on one of the nights, my sister told me, she's like, you're gonna have to dress up. And I guess they have like an evening, like where you dress up that night. So I was thinking like I could probably wear one of these with my dress. And 89 cents from $5.99. That's awesome. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like somebody took some off. So that's probably why it was on sale. But I'm happy with 89 cents. Okay, next, I was looking for this size. I did not know they had it in the size till I watched Tina Bean. And I got the big one. But I want to let y'all know something. In July is my birthday. And I'm going to do a giveaway challenge for my birthday month. So I'm probably going to use the big one as one of the prizes. So stay tuned. So if you didn't watch my other video, this is called Beach House 2, 50 designs, 3 each. And I like this one because it's smaller print. Just give you all a preview if you didn't see my other video. And I like this better because I make cards. I like the size. So I grabbed it. It was regularly $14.99. I got it for $3.14. So cute. I love nautical. Then I found gold vellum. So I picked up just one for $1.24, regularly $4.99. And then that's all the clearance I got. But I needed some red cardstock, and this week it's half off. So I got it for $3. And it comes with all these different reds down here. So it gave me a variety. And it's a 65-pound weight. So we got that. Then I got this vintage pack, which I think Tina Bean showed. I really love it. These colors are beautiful. So I got that one on sale also. And then I got this Sweetheart set. And I love pinks. I love this set too. And Tina Bean also showed this one, and I was so happy to find it because at first I couldn't. And then I saw 2 left. So it's heavyweight, extra heavyweight cardstock. It's 110 pound. It's wood sheets. And it was $7.99. I got it for half off. So for $4, I get 50 sheets of 110 pound. So I was happy about that. And the last thing I have to show for you, I went to Dollar Tree. And I scored for something I have to share with y'all. So they had gingham ribbon. So I'm going to be sharing with the BFF. So I got this red and white. I got this pink and white, and each one of these have 9 feet. Then I got this green and white. And then this orange and white. And then I found these 2 randoms. They didn't have another one of these 2, but I'll keep an eye out to see if I can find them for her. But I got these 2. That was a deal. And then, you know, I love pins. I finally found me one of the ones with the little faux diamond and rose gold. So I grabbed me a pin. And you know I love socks. And I found these little cows. How cute. Stinking cute. So I grabbed me a pair of these. And that is everything for my haul, guys. I thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. Bye.